If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What's going on, guys? Apple World here, and welcome back to the Must Have Apple Watch Band series. If you guys haven't checked out all the other episodes on the Must Have Apple Watch Bands, they will of course be linked down below. So today we're gonna go ahead and check out Bullstrap, some really good quality Apple Watch bands made out of leather. So let's check them out. So first things first, the quality. I mean, just by smelling at it, it smells like pure leather. Usually when I review Apple Watch bands, I talk about the design or I talk about how good they look on the wrist. Not in this case. In this case, apart that it looks freaking amazing because this design looks so good. I mean, once again, the smell, it just feels like pure leather. You can really notice the quality that Bullstrap has built into this band. Now, I know you can probably go on Amazon and on eBay and find this exact same design for like 50% cheaper. Trust me, I think it was like 6 months ago, I actually purchased an eBay knockoff of this band. It did not smell as good, and the feel and the quality of it, it definitely isn't the same as the one from Bullstrap. Now, since this video is not sponsored by Bullstrap, I can actually say the things that I don't really like about the band and the things that I do like about the band. Starting off with the things that I don't like about the band, which is also kind of a good thing if you think about it. When you first buy this Apple Watch band and you actually put it on, it is so stiff and uncomfortable. And that leads me to the good side. If a leather band is stiff and uncomfortable at first, that means that it's actually really good quality leather. That happens with every single leather product, whether it's shoes, wallets, watch bands, etc., etc. On the other hand, if leather is actually really stiff and uncomfortable, that means that it's going to age beautifully over time. Bullstrap bands are actually made of Italian leather. It's got a durable linen stitching and a brushed stainless steel adapters. Bullstrap bands are available in 4 colors: the classic Bullstrap, the vintage Bullstrap, the Terra Bullstrap, and the black edition Bullstrap. You can also choose the color of the buckle. You can choose between silver and black. So I actually really like about this about Bullstrap. Usually you can't really pick the adapters and the buckles out of an Apple Watch band. Bullstraps allows you to change it in silver and black, as I said. So if you have a space gray Apple Watch, I mean, just look how good this thing looks. I mean, if you think about it, Apple doesn't even offer different buckles and different adapters for your Apple Watch band. So Bullstrap. So anyways, do I recommend Bullstrap? Do I recommend the Bullstrap bands? Definitely yes. I mean, hands down, yes. You're literally paying the same quality as Apple, basically. I mean, I just wish I could just hand you guys this band and you guys, I could actually just touch it. This thing is insane. If you're looking into a really comfortable band, I'd say no, don't really go with this because this thing isn't the most comfortable. Once it ages, it's actually super comfortable. I actually bought a Bullstrap band. They sent me one like last year and it aged actually beautifully. I love it and it's so comfortable. If you're looking into purchasing a classy Apple Watch band, definitely go with Bullstrap. I actually see this quite often. I see like this really classy businessman walking with like a Nike sport band and I'm like,
bro, like what are you doing? Just
like get like a nice leather band or just maybe a metallic band. I just hate seeing this. I mean, just businessmen with like a suit and a tie and they're just rocking a Nike sport band. I mean, I'm not judging anybody, and if you do that, go for it. But I totally just recommend changing up your Apple Watch bands once in a while, because if you only have like one band, for example, it's like, you know, so anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys actually want to pick one of these guys up, they will of course be linked down below with a discount code. So definitely check the description box if you guys want a discount. So yeah, don't forget to do all this stuff. 5 more days for the keynote, or 4. I totally forgot. Once again, I'm hype, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.